Good morning students, hope all of you are doing good. I Miss Karima welcome you all to the RKP online classes. So student, today's our topic is story sums, subtraction on story sums. Okay, so first of all we will watch a video.
We are at Nelson's Monsoon Clothing Shop. Why not learn how to frame subtraction word problems here? Subtraction word problems can be framed using different terms like take away, give away, what is the difference, how many less, and how many more. So, today we shall use these words to frame subtraction word problems. Let's use raincoats and begin with framing a word problem for 7 minus 4. Look, there are 7 frog raincoats and 4 rabbit raincoats. So, we can frame a word problem as there are 7 frog raincoats and 4 rabbit raincoats. How many less rabbit raincoats are there than the frog raincoats? Here we have used the word how many less to represent subtraction. Now let us find the solution to this problem. So 7 frog raincoats minus 4 rabbit raincoats is equal to 3 raincoats. Thus there are
So students, here we are going to discuss some terminologies that implies subtraction. These are the taken away, left, how many more than, how many are needed, remain, difference, given away. If you see these words in your question, then you can easily differentiate whether the question is based on addition or subtraction. These are the subtraction terminologies. Now student, this story sums is given to you. A farmer had 8,500 or you can say 8,500 oranges. Out of these 959 oranges got spoiled. How many good oranges are left? So see this word. This word shows that this question is based on subtraction. So you can easily first of all find these types of word. These types of word will help you to find the whether the question is based on subtraction or addition. So this is the subtraction story sum. So as we have done in addition story sums, first of all we will write these numbers and ask the question. 8,500 and 959. How will you write it? First of all, these are the ones, tens, hundred. Place it in place value chart. 8,500. 8,500. Start writing from the ones place. 0, 0 at tens place, 5 at hundred place, 8 at thousand place. And 959. 9 at ones place, 5 at tens place, and 9 at hundred place. Okay. And this and ask question. First of all, ask question. What is 8,500? Find the where is 8,500. This is present here and read this line. A farmer had 8,500 oranges. So you can extract your statement from this given information. So you can write here a farmer had oranges or you can write total oranges. Okay, and out of these 959, now come to the second number. Ask what is 959. Find where is 959. Here it is. So what information is given by this line? Out of this 959 oranges got spoiled. So you can write spoiled oranges. Spoiled oranges. Okay. Now subtract, and you should write here one statement also. What will you write? How many good oranges are left? So you can write here left oranges. Okay. And subtract. This is the 4-digit number and this is 3-digit number. So first of all make this 4-digit number by putting 0 here. And start subtraction from the 1's place. 0 minus 9. Can you subtract 9 from 0? No. So you have to borrow from the tens place, but it is also 0. So you will have to go to 100 place. When you borrow from the 100 place, it becomes 10. Okay, and when you borrow from the tens place, it becomes 9. So you will write 9 here. 9 like this. Okay. And 10 will come at 1's place. And what will be left? 4. Okay. Now subtract 10 minus 9 will be 1. 9 minus 5 will be 4. And 4 minus 9. Can you subtract 9 from 4? No. So you again have to borrow from the 1000 place. When you will borrow, what will it become? 14. And what will be left? 7. So subtract 9 from 14, it is 5. And 7 minus 0 will be 7. So at last you will write the answer. A farmer had left oranges 7,541. Put comma here. Okay. So by this way you can do these questions. So student, this is a read this question. 13,650 cars can be parked in a parking lot. One evening, 1,847 cars are already parked here. How many more cars can still be parked? So read this word. How many more cars? How many are needed? So how many are needed terminology says it is based on the subtraction. Okay, so this is the subtraction story sums, and write the numbers. First of all, this is the number. First of all, place it in place value chart. 1, tens, 100, 1000 or 10,000. Okay. And start writing from the ones place. 0 at 0 place. Ones at ones place 0. Tens place 5. At 100 place 6. At 1000 place 3, and at 10,000 place 1. Okay, and ask questions. Second number is 7 at 1's place, 4 at 10's place, 8 at 100 place, and 1 at 1000 place. Okay, and ask question. What is 13,650? Find that sentence. That is 13,650, and what information it gives? Cars can be parked in a parking lot. So extract your statement from this given information. Okay. Number of cars can be parked. These are the 13,650, and find the next number 1,847. Here it is, and read this sentence. Cars are already parked. So number of cars already parked. You can write like that. Okay. So what you have to find? How many more cars are still be parked? So number of cars can still be parked. That will be your third statement. And this sign represents the subtraction. Start subtraction from the ones place. 0 minus 7. Can you subtract? No. So you have to borrow from the tens place. When you borrow from the tens place, what comes? 10 comes. Okay, not 1. This 10 comes here, and what will be left? 4. Okay. 10 minus 7 will be 3. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 6 minus 8. Can you subtract? Can you take away from 6? No. So you have to borrow again from the 1000 place. When you borrow, what comes? 1000 comes. Okay, and 1000 means 10 100 comes, and 10 plus 6 will be 16. So by this way it becomes 16, not 7. Okay. 16 minus 8 will be 8. What will be left here? 2. So students, when you subtract 2 from one you get 1, and it is 4 digit and it is 5 digit. So it will be your first task. Put 0 here, then it becomes 5 digit, and now you can subtract 1 minus 0 will be 1. So your answer will be 11,803 cars, more cars can still be parked. Students, do this practice question by yourself.